Okay, y'all, I'm experimenting right now because these birds, the birds are attacking my garden. So I read online that if you put garlic and water together with a little soap, maybe even some cayenne pepper, it will stop the birds from coming. So I put it inside of the dirt and it looked like it worked. So I decided to put it around the perimeters of the garden to see if the birds will come near the garden or will they only stay so far away from it. So let's test it out and see. So it's been about an hour and a half since I put down the garlic water around my garden. And look, so the birds is all right here. There are no birds near the garden, at least not yet. But I haven't seen any in the perimeter that I put the water down. So I put it all around and in between the garden beds. And I don't see a bird over there. It's a bird right here though. But there is none near my garden bed. So maybe the garlic water actually worked. Hopefully. So far, that's what it seemed like. I think I found my what to do to get rid of the birds and maybe the squirrels from coming at my garden. I think I figured it out. Okay, I lied. Look at all these birds. They all over my garden. I thought they was gonna be away from it, but it's not. Look at that. They still all around the garden. It don't even matter where I put it. They just everywhere. Look at that. All right, it's the 4th of July. We're getting ready to set up and have some fun. Look, it's the screen that mommy bought. Look at this. This thing is almost the same height as the house. Screen is so big. I had Jaden to stand in front of it so that we could see the difference. Look at the difference. The screen was almost the same size and height as the house. This thing is crazy big. Okay, y'all, so my aunties and my mama, this is our family, y'all. This was on 4th of July. They listening to music and jamming. They wanted to be on the YouTube channel, so I said, okay, let me record you guys. Yes, they are getting down. Look at them. They hype. Oh, I hope everybody else had a good 4th of July as much as we did, because we had an awesome day.
I'm gonna go and see if they have crystals.
You know what?
The sign says crystal.
Is it
Where?
right there?
The blue house, the blue house. Okay, we go over there.
This almost kind of remind me when we went to the Renaissance Festival.
Yeah. The Renaissance Festival, their items are just real. What's the word I'm looking for? Renaissance. Most things have now, but this stuff more. They probably got
Coca-Cola. Do they have a Coke? I don't think they have pop in there.
Yeah, I don't have pop.
Not a crowbar.
They gonna get these niggas.
They see. It is.
This is more fried. Oh, it's so big.
Now I keep trying to show her butt off. Look at this. Hishing it up.
Yeah, it's a bench.
Oh.
Sit down, Kitty. Get your picture taken.
Yes. Wait a minute. Get me on this bench.
Oh, you want your tulip?
You gotta get some too.
Yeah. That's how did you and wife started out.
Coffee days, whiskey nights.
Gracie, look. Here go all the little stuff.
I think I know. I touched that fire for you. I do.